Would you press the button? Every time you clap, you get $10,000, but you lose one random hair on your body, get 3 wishes, but you can never see the person that pops up when you press share and more. Do it with any celebrity you want, but you have to do it with their mother right after. Be able to stop time, but you get 1 month older every time you do it. You never have to sleep and you feel great, but you have to eat 10,000 calories every day. Subscribe and turn notifications on for more wacky and interesting red button dilemmas.